Be sure to watch the video till the end, like, subscribe and share our channel, so that all our new videos can reach you people easily. Moderate Mag. 4.5 earthquake, Japan Sea, 63 kilometers northeast of Nanao, Ishikawa, Japan, on Tuesday, May 30, 2023 at 5:49 p.m. local time, according to the RaspberryShake reported. Updated, May 30, 2023 9:04 Greenwich Mean Time 12 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Japan, Ishikawa, Toyama, NIIGATA. Moderate magnitude 4.5 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100% accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.